Hi, I'm Chef Josh. Today I want to show you how you can make your best creamy shredded beef sauce. Please wait till the end of this video so you can get the best recipe for this dish. First, I have 500 grams of beef. Then with my food hammer, beat it to tender a bit. Cut it into a shredded form, as you can see. Then come back to prepare your mise en place by chopping your fine chopped onions and then cut them the same way I am cutting my own. This is the best way to chop your onions in a fine sharp form. Now the next is to also take care of my other recipes like carrots. Since the dish is a shredded beef, you need to cut your carrot into julienne shape so as to have a fine outcome after making the dish. So this is how I prepare my julienne carrot. First, you need to open the carrot maybe into slice shapes, into plank, as I said. Then now cut it into a straight size. Same way with your green bell pepper. Ensure you also open it, remove the seed, then cut the green bell pepper into shredded or fine julienne shape as well. This is how we prepare mise en place for this dish. All these are going to be used as garnishes aside from the onion that we are going to use to saute the dish. Then what a shredded beef without mushroom. Also have my mushroom, then slice it exactly the same way I've sliced my own. Set all aside. See how nice, see how colorful this looks like. Now we are about to start the main cooking. Please don't go away. Now in a pan, add some olive oil to the pan, then allow it to heat up with the pan. Then the next thing that we are going to do is to add some sesame oil. I just love the flavor and the taste of the sesame oil. Then saute your onions to ensure that you have nice taste, nice flavor. Remember, when cooking, when sauteing any dish or any dish that you are going to make that requires sauteing, ensure you saute the onions for like 5 minutes to ensure that you have nice flavor. Then in this dish, I am using garlic powder. Add your garlic powder to it. Saute it to ensure that the flavor is out. Some curry powder as well. Mix all together to achieve very nice blended flavor. What a dish without a flavor and taste. Then in that same pan, add some soy sauce, saute it, ensure that all is being blended together. After doing that, still stir it to ensure that it's mixed. Add some oyster sauce. I always like the taste and the flavor of the oyster sauce. Before you can now introduce your mushroom, ensure that you saute the mushroom to be brown a bit with all the spices that we've sauteed together. After this, introduce your beef that you've had already made. The beef is 500 grams, so ensure that you cut it, you saute it also with all the spices and the mushroom together to ensure that you have nice blended flavor and the taste. Then at this point, keep sauteing to ensure that it's cooked a bit. Remember to use low heat while sauteing the beef so that it's not going to be tough. Add some salt to it. What a dish without salt for taste. Also add some steak seasoning to ensure that you have fine taste, and also this beef is going to be tender. Add some black pepper to it for taste and also for flavor as well. Saute all to combine together. Now you are almost getting to the end of the dish. Keep sauteing to ensure that the protein absorb all the ingredients and the taste is going to be awesome. Then remember to add your beef stocks to it and keep stirring to ensure that it's all mixed together. Then this is when the dish is about to be interesting. Don't go away. Wait till the end of this cooking. Add some diluted cornstarch to it to ensure that it's thickened. Remember, it's a sauce, it has to be a bit thickened. Then after this, keep stirring it together to ensure that all ingredients are combined. Then add some heavy cream. Remember, it's a creamy shredded beef sauce. So you add some heavy cream or cooking cream to ensure that the taste and the flavor, including the color, becomes awesome. Your shredded beef is almost ready. If this is your first time on my page, kindly like, comment, share this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. What a dish without perfect garnishing. Now garnish it with your julienne carrot and also green bell pepper. See how yummy this dish is. See how excellent this dish is. Try this dish at home and also come back with your outcome. Drop your own testimony on this dish and also tell me where you're watching this dish from. Let me know if there is any recipes you want me to share with you, or it has been giving you you've been having difficulty preparing that dish. Help me drop it in my comment section and I'm going to attend to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. And after cooking, this is how I plate my dish, assuming that I use carbohydrate. It just look like maybe like 250 or 150 grams of carbohydrate of your choice and add by the side, be it white rice, be it fried rice, be it mashed potato. In this case, I'm serving it with my crispy parsley potato. So see how yummy it is. Thank you for watching. See you in